Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this swirly abstract design on my nail. I'm going to be using the gel liquids with dip powder today just because I thought it would be easier with any mistakes. So I apply my gel base in a swirl motion and then pour over the dip powder, and then I repeat that twice. And after each pour over, I do cure for about 15 to 30 seconds. Next, we're going to go in with our second color called Cloudy, and I'm going to be running this along the other side of the nail, getting close to the green as possible. Again, doing the pour over and curing for 15 to 30 seconds. Just a quick flash cure is really all you need, because at the end, we're going to be doing a full 1 minute cure. Now I'm going to be taking my gel base and putting a little bit on this dish because we're going to add some glitter. Using a small brush, I'm going to apply the gel base where I want the glitter to stick. One of the great things about using gel base is that it only cures when you put it under the light. So I'm able to manipulate each of the little pieces and put them exactly where I want them. Cure for 30 seconds, add a top coat, and voila, you're all done.